The Raven is a poem by Edgar Allan Poe about a grief-stricken speaker mourning the loss of his beloved Lenore. One night he hears a tapping sound at his door and discovers a raven entering through the window. The raven perches on the bust of Athena and responds with the word "nevermore." The speaker interprets the raven's reply as prophetic, spiraling into despair and unable to find peace. The poem explores themes of grief, loss, and madness, with the raven symbolizing unending sorrow and the haunting refrain "nevermore." Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven highlights the danger of clinging to grief and the need to let go for healing. It explores themes of death, afterlife, and life's uncertainties, with the raven symbolizing fate and suffering. Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven explores grief and loss through a narrator mourning his loved Lenore. A raven's repeated reply, "nevermore," symbolizes unending sorrow and the finality of death, driving the narrator of madness. The poem delves into the search for meaning in suffering and the anguish of unresolved grief.